Hey guys, I know it's summertime and it's really easy to get too into drinking a little too much in the summertime. So we listen to a few too many Jimmy Buffett songs and we have a few too many margaritas. So I'm going to share with you today a mocktail recipe, and this is kind of one that uses a base. You can kind of modify it to your taste and different flavors that you like to have. But this is a basic one that I love to do. It's really easy, and what a mocktail is basically there's no alcohol. It's a mock cocktail, and it's helping to kind of cut down either a craving that you might have, but still give you that feeling that you're having something, having an alcoholic beverage. So really easy. So I use a glass jar. Mason jars are great for this. So I have a little bit of lime juice in the jar, probably one lime, but either half of it or a whole one. I'll add in some ice. It's really easy. I'll have this is some just cranberry juice. It's all cranberry. You can get this at any grocery store, H-E-B, Kroger. Make sure there's just no sugar added to it. It's another nice thing about these mocktails is it's low sugar and it's not gonna affect you in that way. Still okay to have it at night. With this, I'll have about an ounce to 2 ounces of cranberry, depending on how tart you like to have it, and then just some sparkling water. So this is a tangerine flavored liqueur. And I'll throw that in. And I've made the mistake before of putting the lid and shaking this on. That doesn't work really well. So whenever you do this, really the best thing is I'll grab a metal straw and I'll just stir this up like that. Okay? Super easy. Again, that took 5-10 seconds to do that, but it's still going to give you the good flavor that you want of a cocktail, give you that feeling of having a cold beverage, and still allow you to enjoy the summer, but stay healthy at the same time. So hope that helps. If you're looking for more recipes, we'll post those down below, and just hit us up if you have any questions. Thanks.